Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite your friends and contacts to your own server in the Discord mobile application on Android. So let us guide you through this. So guys, there are two ways how you can achieve this. No matter which way you go with or option you choose, you will need to start by launching the Discord app on your mobile device. Let me do that really quickly and show you option number one. Option number one would be to simply invite one of your friends or contacts directly. To do that, navigate to the Home tab here in the bottom left corner, and after that, tap into that speech bubble in the top left and access the chat or conversation with one of your friends, a friend you would like to invite to your server. Next, tap into the username of the given user or contact here at the top. And what you want to do after that is simply tap into that gear icon here in the top right corner to access the following menu. And here guys, tap into profile here at the top of that menu. That is going to redirect you to the given user's profile. And what you want to do after that is simply tap into these three dots in the top right, and from here select invite to server. And that's it. After that, Discord will ask you which server you would like to invite the given user to. For example, you can decide to invite your friend to one of your own servers here listed above, or into other servers you're a member of below. Simply tap into that invite button to the right, and that is going to send the invitation. So that's option number one, guys. After that, the given invitation will be sent to the user, and simply wait for the given user to either decline or accept the invitation. Option number two would be to simply access your server, your own server here on Discord. So let me return to the main menu or to the home section, and here tap into my server here in the list of servers to the left. Provided, of course, guys, you need to be either an admin or a member of the given server. So what you want to do next is here inside your server is tap into that small contact or plus contact button here in the top right corner next to search, and after that you will see your list of contacts and friends. So simply tap into invite here to the right of the given username to invite the given user to send the invitation, or you may use one of these options below, like invitation code, QR code, a link, or using one of the other options like using direct messaging services, email invitations, and so on and so forth, and simply wait for the given user to accept the invitation. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.